I'm going to show you how you can fix a hole, for example, a door on a cabinet. A lot of times people run into this. They've got a hole and your hinge would be mounted here and the hole is so big that your screw won't stay in it any longer. I'm going to show you how you can fix that very, very quickly. Thing you want to do is take your glue and put it up against the hole, squeeze it full of glue. Now, if you don't have that type of a dispenser, you can also just take the wood toothpicks, whatever you want, put a little bit of glue on them and put them in a hole. I'm going to go ahead and fill the hole up with glue. Okay, hole is full of glue. I'm going to take a toothpick, push it in as far as it'll go, and get the glue to go on the outsides of the hole. Now break the toothpick off, pull it away, do it again, push it in as far as it'll go, break the toothpick off, get another toothpick, put it in. It's getting kind of tight there. Okay, I'm gonna break it off. Now here's why I like to use the toothpicks with a hole on them. Excuse me, with a point on them. Start it in there, and you take anything that you got to tap it in a little bit, as far as it'll go. Okay. Okay, you want to cut off the excess toothpick so it's nice and flush there, and let it set up for a couple hours. You're ready to put the screw back in. Okay, I did this hole and let it set up for, actually let it set up overnight. It's ready to put the screw back in it. So here's all you got to do. Just get your screw up to where the hole is. And I'm using an electric drill. You can use whatever you want, but start it right in. And there you go. And it's not going to come out. Good luck. Then take your shears and cut it off. Okay? That way it's nice and flush. Now, what I've done, you can go ahead and put your screw in. What I've done, I have another hole that I've already set up. But after you put the glue, okay, cut it off. After you get it cut off, you let it set. Let the glue dry for about 2 hours. Now, I've did that to another hole. Let me show you.